Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about that how we perform the update and the replace operation in MongoDB. Well, these are done with the help of the three main methods, which is update one, update many, and the replace one, right? So let's understand about the update one. So for the update one, the syntax is like this: db dot collection name, right? Whatever the name of the collection should be there, and after that update one, and then put the bracket. Now after putting this parenthesis, there should be two different curly brackets, right? Like this, you can check. So the first one is for the filter. Let's say that db.user is my collection name, then update one, and then this is the filter. That name should be Piyush there. Name should be Piyush there. The document inside of which the name should be Piyush, I want to edit that, right? And after that, you put the filter condition, right? Update operation, where you put the dollar set colon and then this curly bracket inside of which the field and the value should be there. Means when you put this filter, it will pick that particular document, and inside of that, whichever field you want to change, like the value of the field which you want to change, just write it here. Similarly, like you can see here, like the name should be Piyush and then dollar set. I want to change the age, I want to change the city, right? Like this is the complete syntax. I hope you understood the concept, right? And the response will be there, don't worry. And the update many, so what is the difference between the update one and the update many? Let me tell you. When you put this name Piyush condition, then there could be a lot of data set where the name can be Piyush, right? So which data will be updated in case of update one? Only one data. Then which one? The one which comes first. Which comes first. Let me give you an example. Let's say this is the dataset on which we are going to work. So here the name is Rahul and here the name is Rahul. Both the document have the name Rahul, right? So if I want to update it, so what will happen? It will update if I use the update one method. In that particular case, it will update this particular document, not this. Why? Because this comes first. Got it? So this is how it works. Fine. And the other case is in the update menu, that it will update all the document that matches the condition. So if I put the name as Rahul, it will update both this one and this one also, right? In case of update menu. Got it? Fine. So let's go to our MongoDB shell and understand that how we work with it. So let's check our database, show DBS, right? So we are going to work inside this Office database, right? So let me first show you. I have already shown you, but look again. This is the Office. This is the name of the collection, which is users, and these are the 5 different data set I'm having, right? Documents, inside of which I'm having name, age, city, and the role. Got it? Now let's start the work. So first of all, I'm going to tell you about the update one, right? So how update one works? So for the update one, you just need to write db dot users is my collection name, dot update, and the one o of the one should be capital, right? So like this, put the bracket here. After putting the bracket, let's come to the next line, and first thing I will do is that I will give the condition. So let's take the condition as Pooja, right? The name as Pooja. So let's take the curly bracket here. So name and Pooja, right? Like this. Just close it. So what it will do, it will pick this particular document, right? Now I want to update this city as something other. Here the city is Kolkata. I want to change it to Delhi, right? So let's change it. So put the comma here and press enter, and let's put the dollar and sorry curly bracket and then the dollar set, like this. Then put the curly bracket and write the condition, that is city as uh, let's say Delhi, right? I want to put it Delhi. So like this, like this. Got it? Now after that, just close the bracket, main bracket, right? And let's press enter. So it is done. Acknowledges true, right? And it is showing that match count is 1 and modified count is 1, right? So let's just refresh it. As you can see here, the city name is Kolkata, and when we will refresh it, you can see now the city is Delhi. How it happened? Because we use the update one, right? Now same thing if I want to do with the Rahul, right? There are two different Rahul, and I want to change the name of the city from Delhi to here the city name is Delhi and here the city name is Mumbai. Let's make it Kolkata, right? Let's make it Kolkata and check that which particular document get edited, right? So let's take it like this. uh, let's remove this name from Pooja to Rahul like this, and the city is Kolkata like this. Yes, press enter and it is done. Now let's check that which particular data set got updated, right? So here in the first the city is Delhi and the second is city is Mumbai. Let's just reload it and you can check this first one got changed, not the second one. Why? Because we use the update one here, right? We use the update one. Now let's work with the update many. So if I use update many, so it will work like the same, right? What we did, just it will take all the documents. So the name as Rahul, and let's change the field from city to let's take the age as here it is 20, here is 21, so let's make it 25, right? So let's just press enter and see it is done, right? And 20 and 21, let's reload it and you can check the age is 25 and age is 25 in both the different document, right? So this is how your update menu works. So if you want to update anything, just remember first thing that this one is for the filter and this one is for the update which we want. All right. If you want to change more things than just single field, you can do it just by putting comma, right? Just put age as 25, then comma, and then city, then role, whichever you want, right? It is very simple. Got it? I hope you understood the concept of the update one and update many, right? Let's move forward towards the replace one. Let me take you to the notes. So you can see from here the replace one. Now what this replace one does? Well, it replaces the first matching document, right? It replaces the first matching documents and it will change the complete document, right? Let's take you to the example. Let's say I put here the name as Aman, right, as a condition. So it will pick the data where the name is Aman, this one. It will pick the data, this one, right? Document, sorry. And when I put in the second curly bracket, right, second thing, so here I put the name, age, and city. So three different field I put, right? So what it will do is that it will not update and put this role here. It will remove everything, all the fields, right? And then again put the name, age, and city. If you want to take any other key, like rather than name you want to put anything else, it will take that whatever you will write here, right? So this is how it works. It will replace complete detail with the new one, right? So let's just try it again, right? So let's do one thing, that let's clean it out and let's write here that db dot users dot replace one, put the bracket here, and then this name as, let's say, Aman, right? Aman, and then put the curly bracket like this, put the comma, right? And after that put the curly bracket like this, and the name, like this is used for the condition, right? This is used for the condition. And like now I'm going to replace it, so I want the name as let's say Parth, right? Comma the age, let's say 19, and the city, let's say um, UP, like this. Got it? Now after that, let's just close it. So what it will do, it will do one thing, that it will take this complete document and change the name, age, and city. And since we have not mentioned the role, it will remove the role, right? Let's press enter and you can see it has changed, and the match count is 1 and the modified count is 1 because it has modified the complete document, right? That's why. So if you go here and check for the Aman and let's just refresh it, it is now Parth. And so the name is Parth, age is 19, city is UP. right? So it has removed the role from here, and the every detail is now updated. So this is how your replace one is used. Got it? So I hope you understood the concept of replace one, update many, and the update one in this particular video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.